The picture on the screen is an airbag machine constructed in a glass case enclosure to show the ultimate simplicity of an airbag 400 system. There are only 4 parts to this system. A, an AVW 400 controller. B, a payment tower. C, a Protel compressor. And 4, a Digi-Air manifold. Note the lack of the complexity of wiring. Applying the technology in the real world is simple. We modified a popular airbag digital air machine with the AVW 400 system. The picture on the screen shows the original wiring of a popular airbag machine before the AVW 400 was installed. The next picture on the screen shows the same back panel after the 400 installation. Modification procedure: install the pre-wired back panel, install the front panel, connect 3 cables, 2 air hoses, and apply power. Installation time, less than 30 minutes. The on-screen picture shows the completed job.
We created a front panel for it, for the Protel digital air, a mechanical coin mech, and Protel card reader. On the back side, you see it's a modular design. It can be installed, assembled separately, and then installed on the machine. We did the same with the back plate. It can be pre-assembled with the Protel 400, the digital air manifold, and also a Protel compressor. Okay, to start, we're going to check the tire, the air pressure in the tire. Doesn't require any money. It will beep when it reaches the pressure, 27 psi. Now we'll do a credit card blend. The LED flashes to prompt you to press the arrow back button. And then we'll go into an authorized mode and turn the machine on. If there was an error on the swipe, the error LED would indicate, or if the purchase was canceled for any reason, like a timeout, it would indicate that as well. Now we'll accept the 32-pound default press set point. The unit will beep indicating when we've reached the set point. If this were the bend had timed out and we were on the last tire, it would continue to add air until the bend was complete. First we'll start with the coin bend. And you'll note the display keeps track of the credit as the coins are dropped. And after reaching the VIN price, we select air. To start, we'll lower the pressure. The digital air unit will beep to indicate we reached the set point. Now we'll increase the set point to add air to the tire.
The AVW 400 controller is a computer platform that employs many self-contained systems that controls the air vac machine. The AVW 400 replaces the dual timers that control the air compressor and air vac motors. The relays are mounted on a plug-in replaceable PC board. If the motor relay ever fails, they can easily be replaced in less than 3 minutes without any tools at a fraction of the cost for replacing a conventional timer. The AVW 400 also has 2 built-in self-contained 250 volt 30 amp power relays that turn on the high current compressor and vac motors. Communications. The AVW 400 has multiple built-in communication platforms, including 1. A GSM 3G DOS 1.2 certified encrypted modem for communications with remote service through the cellular network. Also shown in this picture is the black cellular radio battery that keeps the AVW 400 in communications with the management systems for up to 7 days after a power failure. This is one of 2 batteries that provides complete system backup in the event that there is a power outage. This allows the machine to be monitored during power outages. It also reports the time and duration that the machine has been without power. It has the ability then to monitor the coin drops during power outages. It reports coin box intrusions during this period, and the whereabouts of a machine should it be stolen. Other features associated with the AVW 400 is its ability to simultaneously monitor multiple coin drops. It also has the ability to be able to monitor the compressor air pressure. It has the ability to measure and read temperature through various sensors operating in the unit. It has the ability to determine if a coin box has been removed, has the ability to interface with a card reader, and control a digital air unit. The one-wire bus, another powerful communication feature of the AVW 400, is the incorporation of Protel's proprietary one-wire smart data bus platform. This technology virtually eliminates most of all the wiring inside an air vac machine, where a single wire has the ability to replace hundreds of wires and dozens of connectors. This technology drastically reduces the manufacturing cost of new equipment and greatly reduces the maintenance because of the resulting simplicity of the equipment. The remote free vent feature. The AVW 400 employs a self-contained bidirectional remote free vent controller that operates over an encrypted spread spectrum radio with a range up to 1/2 mile. The remote control device provides feedback to the store operator that the machine was activated. The AVW 400 keeps track and reports the number of free vents. The cost of the savings derived from the AVW 400 start at the installation, where one box can replace dozens of previously called for components. Since it consists of only a single box, the AVW 400 can be installed in a fraction of the time compared to the installation time of conventional timer-controlled systems. These cost savings continue through the life of the product by reducing maintenance costs and improvement to reliability. The picture on the screen shows a pile of parts that were collected from upgrading a cylinder-type air vac machine and a digital air vac machine with a Protel AVW 400 controller. On a cylinder type air vac machine, the AVW 400 controller replaces the 2 timers that are shown at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, the 3 counters that are shown on the left center side of the screen, the free vent kit that is shown at the top left of the screen, plus a bunch of wiring not shown, and a couple of power supplies. When upgrading the digital air machine, the 400 replaced 3 relays, yards of hand wiring, a couple dozen connectors, switches, tie-down blocks, and many other components as shown in the pile of wiring in the center of the picture. In summary, the AVW 400 is a complete air vac machine, including modem and remote free vent shrunk into a single box that drastically reduces the manufacturing and maintenance costs of an air machine.